In this video, I'll show you how to register an Exness account, verify it, and manage funds on Snet. Here's the registration link for Exness to get a 20% fee refund. I'll put this link in the video description for you. This is the main interface of the Exness exchange. After accessing this page, click on Register. Wait a moment for the human verification. Once verified, you'll see the registration form. First, select your country, then enter your email, password, and referral code. For the password, use uppercase, lowercase numbers, and special characters. For example, account 123E. The partner code is in the video description, FC219CBWSWSS. Enter this code to get a 20% fee refund. Snet also has a feature called CAT. To get a trading fee refund, just register with this code. I'll set it up for a 20% fee rebate. Click continue and you've registered an account. Now choose if you want a demo or real trading account. Let's select a real account. Okay, this is the deposit interface. You can deposit in USD, cryptocurrency, or bank transfer. Choose your country for local transfer options. There are many payment methods available. First, you need to click the yellow button at the top to set up your first account. You'll need to verify your email address and phone number. Add your information, then click Start Now. They'll send you a code. After verifying your email and phone, add more info. Enter your name, birth date, city, birthplace, and gender. I'll set mine to male. Enter your address and click Continue. It'll ask why you're opening the account. You can choose any reason, like investing. Don't worry, your choice doesn't matter. Then it'll ask for your profession. Choose any option, just select Great, then scroll down and click Continue. Now it will ask about the source of funds, whether it's savings, wages, or salary. Again, just choose Great. For example, to continue with savings, there are a few low multiplier options. Pick any of them. Then just select any option, no need to be too precise. Here are instructions for taking a clear photo. Don't tilt the camera, keep it straight. Okay, now I'm going to upload the image. Click here and you'll see two options. You can either take a photo directly with the camera or upload an existing image. I already have the image saved, so I'll choose that. Then continue to the next step. After uploading the image to verify your identity, go to CH Play or the App Store to download the Exness app. I've already downloaded it, so I'll open it now. Okay, click on Login. Enter your email and password, then click Login. Great, you're now logged into your SNET account. It says you don't have an account yet, so you'll need to open one. Let's go to the next section. In the profile, you'll see your account is verified. Your identity is confirmed. Go to the account section and click Open Account. This is for new users. The minimum deposit is $10 and the SP fee is 0.2 BIP. If you want to test, a standard account is fine. Click Continue. You can open a D account or demo account. For testing, choose D. Continue, then set a password for your trader account to log in. Deposit, trade, or withdraw here. This is your account info. Click here to deposit. For other payment methods, choose below. Click here to see payment options in your country like internet banking and others. Pick what works for you. Withdrawing is similar. Click Withdraw and it'll show payment options. I've tried it. You'll get your money in about 1-2 minutes.